How to contact Expedia Flight Booking. Hi guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In today's tutorial, you'll be taught how to contact experts Expedia Flight Booking. The first thing to do is to open your Expedia app on your mobile phone and you wait patiently for it to load. You wait patiently for it to load. After launching your Expedia app on your phone, you would see the Expedia icon and other options like destination, the kind of flight you want, the cars, um, the packages, stays, and all. Then, for you to contact Expedia flight account, you look at the lower part of the screen at the left, right, and the left side of the screen at the lower part where you see the chat icon. You click on the chat icon, you wait for it to load. Then you'll be directed to a page where you can speak with the virtual agent. You would not have a physical person speaking to you, but there is a virtual agent on this page that can attend to your complaints, your questions, and whatever problem you're facing with the app. So on this page, you click on the chat box, then type in your complaint, that is to contact Expedia Flight Booking. After typing in the question, after typing in the question, instructions will be displayed on your screen on how to go about contacting Expedia Flight Booking. Okay, then you follow these instructions and and you keep conversing with this virtual assistant and this virtual agent till your question is being solved, till your question is solved. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you.